How to remove the lock screen, pattern lock or password on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So first let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on lock screen and IOD. From here, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Now put in or draw in your current pattern. After that, to remove the password or a pattern, you can simply choose swipe or none. Here you can see if I go to my lock screen now, all I have to do is swipe to gain access to the home screen or to the device without having to enter in the password or a pattern. So the same for password. So if you have a password, then to remove the password, so when your phone asks you to put in the password, do so. And then to remove it, we go back into the same lock screen, settings page. We will go in here and we need to enter in the same password. Then choose swipe, and this will allow you to remove the password on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.